This is a basic borehole camera operation and the setup. The winch and is connected to a camera, and the camera is 5 megapixel, and it is stainless steel outside, so it won't damage more with the water. And the cable provided is thick and strong, so that it won't cut while doing the operations for a longer time. The handle is used to rotate the winch so that the camera can be sent inside and outside the borehole. The winch contains 100, 200 and 300 meters cable also. So this safety lock for the winch is to protect the winch from falling or free rotation. So this will help in saving the camera from any kind of unexpected events. And this is for the powering of the camera and the winch. So we connect it to a battery, and the depth encoder is used for finding the depth of the camera running, and this is giving both digital and also the manual depths. So when the camera is connected to the winch and it is kept on the depth encoder, then the depth encoder wheel will rotate and it will give the depth. So this is how we will connect the depth encoder and the camera. The depth encoder should be exactly in the center of the borehole, so that the camera is also in the center of the borehole, and the borehole camera is going down. This camera will go down and up in a clear water, and you can see the formations and any kind of damage in the casing. So when we are rotating the handle, the camera will be going down, and if we are doing it in the reverse, the camera will be coming up. Now we are powering the camera. So when we connect the connector to the battery and to the winch, then the camera will be on. There is a 7-pin connector for connecting to the winch and 4-pin connector to connecting to the battery. Once we connect this, then the power supply goes to the camera and the camera will be on. And later we need to connect the depth encoder, so that we will get the depth information also. So this depth encoder, we have the digital side, so we connect a 4-pin connector to the depth encoder, and after the connection of the depth encoder to the cable, we will connect the other end to the battery, so that the depth encoder is also powered and the readings are coming in the application. Once this is done, we will be connecting a USB cable. So the USB cable is connected to the mobile application, and you can use any kind of connector to use any kind of mobile, and we will be using the application. In this we can add the data, and we can see the information of the well and the location and also the depth. And this Bluetooth enabled depth encoder will be useful for getting the digital readings of the depth. So we will be connecting the device through Bluetooth, pairing the device, and then we can see it in the list. And after that, we will be opening the application. In the application, we need to give the access to the camera, and then we need to go for the Bluetooth device and then connect it once, so that the depth readings will be shown. So here we can add the information of the person who is logging and the location and anything you can give, and this is how the camera will be connected. And if you want to clear any data, you can just go for the clear data option, so the data will be cleared. Once data is cleared, you can see the depth in 0 and all the data in 0. Then you can add the data and also the location of the place, and when you are moving the depth encoder, the depth will be seen in the display along with the time. Once this is done, you can start moving the camera into the borehole. So the camera is now in the borehole with the water, and it is showing a broken casing. The same way, when it is going down, it is showing the cracks in the casing and the bore, and this will show you the depth also, and the video will also record continuously. This whole thing will be stored in the internal storage of your mobile application, so you can save and share it to anyone. If you want a limited video, you can start from a limited duration, or if you want the full video, you can go with the full recording. So the start and stop button is here to record the video, and the camera option is to take the photographs along with the depth. This is how you can use a borehole camera to see what is in the well and at what depth the information is present. All this can be shared, and then you can use it for any kind of other solutions. So even the bit change and the drill change can be seen here.